Selecting a research topic. Both the writing process and the research process start with choosing a topic. It is important that the topic be something that is not too broad, but also not too narrow. It should be interesting to you and to potential readers. Thus, it should be a topic that has not already been researched so heavily that there is nothing new to say about it. Conversely, it should be a topic that there has been adequate research about, as it will be impossible to review literature if such literature does not exist. Thus, Fowler and Aaron recommend that you avoid very recent topics. A good research topic should also require a variety of sources. Information about the topic should not be based solely on opinion. Similarly, although topics on which there is more than one perspective are recommended, a topic that is so controversial that perspectives are based primarily on beliefs or prejudices are not recommended. In other words, the topic must be examinable from an objective stance. Once you have chosen a topic, try formulating several questions about the topic. For example, let's say your topic is tablet technology in elementary schools. Questions you might ask are, is the use of tablet technology in elementary schools associated with improved academic performance? What challenges do elementary teachers face as they incorporate tablet technology into their instruction? And should elementary schools invest in tablet technology? Note that this topic is current, but not so new as to have no research about it. There is more than one perspective on the issue. Some advocate for more technology, including tablets for young students, while others caution against proliferation of technology. And it is possible to take an objective stance about the topic, even though one's personal beliefs will inform one's stance. Now let's practice generating some research questions for the following topics. Be sure to formulate questions that narrow down the topic somewhat. The achievement gap. For example, what are some reasons for the gap between ethnic minority students and ethnic majority students in terms of achievement? What can be done to reduce the achievement gap? Standardized testing. For example, should standardized test scores be a primary determinant of decisions about schools? How well do standardized test scores reflect students' knowledge? Is pressure about standardized test scores affecting teacher behavior and subsequent student learning? Response to intervention. How is the response to intervention model different from the IQ achievement discrepancy model in terms of identifying and remediating learning disabilities? Is response to intervention effective in secondary school settings? Funding for high school athletics programs. For example, is participation in sports beneficial to students academically and socially? How should athletics programs be funded in public schools? How did you do? Remember, there are many possibilities for research questions. The most important criteria are that the topic be interesting, researchable, and relevant.